ATV storage racks provide secure cargo space, improve organization, increase hauling capacity, and keep essential gear safe during work, hunting, camping, and trail rides. Today's video is about top 5 best ATV storage racks that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Orsish Heavy Duty ATV Front Cargo Basket. The Orsish ATV Front Cargo Basket is a durable and practical storage solution for ATV and UTV owners who need extra hauling capacity. Built from heavy-duty steel with a protective coating, its 36-inch by 17-inch by 6-inch design provides ample space for carrying camping gear, hunting equipment, fishing supplies, coolers, fuel cans, and tools. The sturdy mesh construction helps keep cargo secure, even on rough trails. Installation is flexible thanks to 2 included hardware sets, allowing compatibility with a variety of rack designs. Multiple tie-down points add extra security, though some basic mechanical skills and minor DIY adjustments may be required depending on your vehicle. Designed for versatility, the basket can also be mounted on the rear or top rack for additional storage options. While the steel construction is built to last, proper cleaning and drying after exposure to rain or mud will help minimize surface rust over time. Backed by responsive 24/7 customer support, the Orsish Cargo Basket is a reliable choice for outdoor adventures and everyday utility tasks. Now our second product is Mach-In's Folding Trailer Hitch Cargo Carrier. The Mach-In's Folding Hitch Cargo Carrier is an excellent choice for travelers who need extra storage without sacrificing interior space. Built from heavy-duty steel with a 500 pounds weight capacity, the spacious 70-inch by 30-inch by 6-inch cargo platform is perfect for transporting luggage, camping gear, tools, and bulky equipment. Its foldable design allows for convenient storage when not in use. A standout feature is the included 40 cubic feet waterproof cargo bag, made from durable weather-resistant vinyl with reinforced seams, waterproof zippers, and moisture-blocking flaps to keep belongings dry in all conditions. The complete kit also includes ratchet straps, buckle straps, a hitch lock, stabilizer, rear lights, reflectors, and a built-in license plate bracket for enhanced safety and road compliance. Designed to reduce sway and improve ground clearance, this carrier performs well on long road trips and rough terrain. Backed by a generous 10-year warranty and responsive US-based customer support, the Mach-In's Folding Hitch Cargo Carrier delivers durability, convenience, and peace of mind, making it a dependable solution for SUVs, cars, trucks, and RV adventures. Our third product is Leader Accessories Folding Hitch Cargo Carrier. The WAZE Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier is a durable and practical solution for anyone needing extra cargo space on road trips, camping adventures, or daily hauling. Constructed from heavy-duty galvanized square tube steel with a black powder-coated finish, it supports up to 500 pounds while offering excellent resistance to rust in harsh weather. Its spacious 60-inch by 24-inch by 6-inch platform provides plenty of room for coolers, luggage, camping gear, firewood, and storage boxes, helping keep your vehicle's interior organized. The durable mesh floor prevents smaller items from slipping through while providing a stable base for all types of cargo. The folding shank is a convenient feature, allowing the carrier to fold upright when not in use, saving valuable parking and storage space. Designed to fit any vehicle with a standard 2-inch receiver, installation is straightforward and includes a 5/8-inch hitch pin. Reflective safety strips improve visibility in low-light conditions, adding an extra layer of security. Overall, this cargo carrier offers an excellent combination of strength, convenience, and reliability for cars, SUVs, trucks, vans, and RVs. Now number 4, Luthermert Trail Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier Basket. The Luthermert Hitch Cargo Carrier is a reliable and spacious solution for expanding your vehicle's storage capacity. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame, it supports up to 500 pounds, while the matte black powder-coated finish provides excellent resistance to rust, scratches, and harsh weather, ensuring long-lasting durability. Measuring 58 inches by 24 inches by 14 inches, the carrier offers plenty of room for luggage, camping gear, tools, and outdoor equipment. Its high side rails help keep cargo secure, while the mesh floor allows water and debris to drain away, reducing maintenance and keeping the platform clean. This complete package includes a waterproof cargo bag, elastic cargo net, 2 16-foot ratchet straps, and a stainless steel hitch stabilizer, making it easy to secure your load for safe travel. The folding design allows the carrier to be stored upright when not in use, and the added locking mechanism helps prevent unwanted movement. Installation is straightforward on any standard 2-inch trailer hitch, and the included reflective stickers improve nighttime visibility. Overall, it's a sturdy, convenient, and value-packed cargo carrier for road trips and everyday hauling. And our last choice is Autoholic Upgraded RV Hitch Mount Kayak Rack. The Hitch Mount Kayak Carrier is a sturdy and convenient solution for transporting kayaks or stand-up paddleboards with confidence. Constructed from heavy-duty steel and finished with a durable black powder coating, it resists rust and corrosion while supporting up to 150 pounds, making it ideal for carrying 2 kayaks or SUPs. Its adjustable height design accommodates kayaks up to 12 feet long and fits any vehicle equipped with a standard 2-inch hitch receiver, including trucks, SUVs, RVs, and trailers. The upgraded foam padding and protective layers help prevent scratches, while optional pool noodles can provide even greater protection during transport. A standout feature is the reinforced wobble-proof design with strengthened welds and a hitch stabilizer that minimizes vibration, rattling, and road noise, even on rough terrain. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the included hardware and clear illustrated instructions, requiring no drilling or welding. Overall, this kayak carrier combines durability, stability, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts who need a secure and reliable way to transport their watercraft. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.